Hello and mabuhay! Welcome to Grade 7 Science Videos. I'm your teacher, Sir Chris Umiha. Enjoy watching! This video is all about pollination and fertilization in flowers. This lesson was based on the most essential learning competency or MELC. In this video, learners are expected to differentiate asexual and sexual reproduction in terms of: first, number of individuals involved; second, similarities of offspring with their parents. Pollination. Pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma. Agents of pollination. These are pollinators that help in transferring pollen grains to the stigma. These includes insects, birds, wind, water, humans, and other animals. There are two types of pollination: self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination. Self-pollination is the transfer of pollen grains to the stigma of the same flower. Cross-pollination. Cross-pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from one flower to the stigma of another flower. Fertilization in flowers. It happens after pollination. When the pollen grain landed on the stigma, it produces a pollen tube. The pollen tube will grow until it reaches the ovule in the ovary. The tip of the pollen tube contains the sperm cell, which unite with the egg cell in the ovule. This union of sperm cell and egg cell is called fertilization. When the egg cell and sperm cell unite, it will form a zygote or fertilized egg. The zygote will soon become an embryo, which is a part of a seed. Summary. Pollination is the transfer of pollen grains to the stigma. The two types of pollination are self-pollination and cross-pollination. Fertilization is the union of sperm cell from the pollen grains and the egg cell from the ovule to form a zygote.